The U.S. military says this morning it has successfully shot down a medium-range ballistic missile in a test exercise. This image released by the military shows the scheduled maneuver just off the coast of Hawaii. The test comes one day after the firing of a North Korean ballistic missile. New video this morning is giving us our first look at that launch. The North Korean missile was fired from the capital, Pyongyang, and flew over U.S. ally Japan. U.S. Ambassador to the UN, Nikki Haley, said North Korea's, quote, lawlessness will not be allowed to continue. Ben Tracy is in Tokyo with how the missile triggered warnings and widespread concern across Japan. Ben, good morning.
Good morning. So Japanese officials say this missile launch came as a complete surprise, and we now know that neither Japan nor the U.S. tried to shoot it down because the missile was flying too high over the island. Now, the missile that was launched is what North Korea calls its Hwasong-12. This is the first time the regime has launched a missile from its capital city, and doing so makes a preemptive strike by the U.S. more difficult because it shows North Korea can put its missiles in unpredictable and highly populated areas. Now, North Korean state media says Kim Jong-un was at the launch site and deemed it successful. State media also said that sending a missile over Japan was North Korea's way of, quote, muscle flexing in response to U.S. and South Korean military exercises that have been taking place since last week. It called this a curtain raiser, with more North Korean actions to come. Now, Kim Jong-un has instructed his military to launch more missiles into the Pacific, but he says he'll also wait and see what the United States decides to do and then respond accordingly. Gail?
Thank you very much, Ben Tracy, reporting from Tokyo.